Welcome back to Series C Growthonomics. Today, I'm going to continue our Mythbuster series. And today's myth I'm going to talk about is only scientists can do data. So many people believe that you need to be data scientist to be able to put data to work. And things can't be farther from truth. So let me share. So while data scientists, and typically when somebody is thinking about is truly using the word correctly, a data scientist is somebody who can use statistical methods, can use machine learning, can use AI. These are the methods they can use using tools like Python or R, mostly using libraries, pre-existing libraries, in order to mostly do what is called prediction. There are advanced methods which are non-prediction, but mostly the work that is involved is prediction. So that is the work of data scientist. But interestingly, this body of work, which we can call advanced analytics or truly data science, it only solves for 5 to 10% of business problems. 80 to 90% of business problems are solved with what is outside of this realm of true data science, where you are actually leveraging data using simple methods. And we can call that, it's often referred to as business analytics, or sometimes also called analytics. Although analytics is sometimes used as a superset. I mean, this is a very confusing space. But most of 80 to 90% of the business problems can be solved using business analytics. And when I'm talking about business analytics, I'm talking about simple logic to aggregate analysis, to correlation analysis, to trend analysis, sizing and estimation. All that is, those four itself solve most, it solves most of these problems. And this can be done using tools like Excel or Google Sheet by anybody who understands how to who understands Excel, who understands these analysis methodology. So you don't need to be a scientist. And these people who are doing this are typically called, we call them citizen analyst, right? It's like citizen journalist, the same way citizen analyst. So that can be a marketer, a product manager, an engineer, a call center agent, a claims analyst, a UX designer, UX researcher, any of these people whose majority of their work is not putting data to work, but they have data at hand. Everybody has data at hand. They can put data to work. 80 to 90% of the problem they have at hand can be solved using these methodologies, using just Excel. So as you think about your own skill set and you think about, I have troves of data and wait a minute, I need data scientists to work it. Know that it's a big myth. Anybody with citizen analyst skills, using business analytics, using tools like Excel, can solve 80 to 90% problem for the business. Hope this was helpful. See you next time.